Have you heard of black seed oil? This ancient remedy has been called the cure for everything but death, and today, we're diving into why. From glowing skin to a stronger immune system, the benefits are truly amazing. Let's unlock the power of this natural miracle together. Stick around till then because benefit number 5 might completely change how you view your health routine. What is black seed oil? Black seed oil, also known as Nigella Sativa, comes from tiny black seeds used for thousands of years in traditional medicine. From ancient Egypt to modern health trends, it's been trusted for its powerful healing abilities. Number 1. Promotes hair growth. Black seed oil is rich in nutrients that nourish your scalp, reduce hair fall, and even help with dandruff. Just massage it in, and let nature do its thing. Number 2. Clears and nourishes skin. It's a game changer for acne, scars, and dry skin. With anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, it helps your skin stay clear, smooth, and glowing. Number 3. Boosts immunity. Want to stay healthy naturally? Black seed oil strengthens your immune system with powerful antioxidants and helps your body fight off infections. Number 4. Fights inflammation. Whether it's joint pain or bloating, black seed oil can reduce inflammation and support better digestion totally naturally. Number 5. Supports overall wellness. It may even help balance blood sugar, improve heart health, and enhance brain function, all from one little oil. You can take it by the spoon, mix it with honey, apply it on your skin, or massage into your scalp. But always start with a small amount and check with your doctor, especially if you're on medication or pregnant. Have you tried black seed oil before? Comment below and let me know your experience, or if you're going to try it after this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who needs it, and subscribe for more natural remedies every week. Thanks for watching and stay naturally healthy.